Hello guys, this is N Pichon. Welcome to my mathematics class. Today I will tell you how to count the squares quickly. Okay, let's move into the topic. I have taken here two types. I will tell you today how to count the squares quickly or within 2 seconds you can say. Today for only two types. Okay, let's start the work. Here you can see the type 1. Let's suppose these all are square boxes. Here square box, square box, square box. Here all we have a square boxes. Okay, so all here also we have a square boxes. These all are square boxes. Okay, let's see the this one square box. How to count? Okay, first type of ABC here. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1, 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have a same, right? Rows equal to columns. You can see here. You can find uh, one two. Okay, three columns are there, three rows are there. Here, okay, number of rows and columns are equal. In this case, how to find out the number of squares? See, we have very simple trick. You can just put the numbers here 1 2 1 2. Yes, from here, if 1 2 1 2, this shows okay we have number of columns is equal to number of rows. Now here in this case it's very easy to find the number of square. Just you have to do okay, one square from two squares. Just some of the squares of numbers, either you can take a column or a row, but you have to take only one. Either you can take of a row or you can take of column, but only one you have to take, right? Now you can see 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4 is equal to 5. So how many squares are there in this diagram? We have 5 squares in this diagram. Now you can count also very easily, because this is a dead simple diagram. 1 2 3 4 4 squares, and 1 is your big squares, right? Okay, now let's see here how to count in this case. 1 2 3 2 3, right? Here also you can do same. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, right? Now you can just add 1 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 14. So we have 14 squares in this diagram. Now I think you understood. Here also you can find out 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now it's very easy to find out the number of squares. Now you can use 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 squares. Now you have to add, okay, 1 square 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus your 16 plus 25 plus 30 6. Now you can add, okay, already we have done, okay, 9 1 10 14 14 plus 16, you can do 14 plus 16 30, 30 plus 25, your 5 5 55, 45 plus 1 8 9. Okay, so how many? 91. So how many squares are there? 91 squares we have, right? 91. So in this diagram we have 91 squares. Now I think you understood. If we start to count, it's very difficult, but by this calculation we can find out the number, exact numbers of squares. All right, now let's see the type second. In type second we have all square boxes. Square box, square box, square box, square box, square box. Here, okay, so many square boxes are there, and okay, we have to find out the number of squares, total squares, how many squares we can form in this diagram. All right, now so here one more thing, what is the difference between type 1 and type 2? In type 1 we found number of columns is equal to number of rows. Okay, we can write down here, okay, number of columns is equal to number of rows. Okay, in this, in first type you found number of columns is equal to number of rows. In second time we have, okay, number of columns is not equal to number of rows, right? Number of columns is not equal to number of rows. You can see here 1 2 3 4 4 columns, and here 1 2 1 2 3 3 rows, right? Let's see how to find out in this case what type of trick we have. Let's move into second type. 1 2 3 4, right? And here also you have to put number 1 2 3. In this case what we do, okay, we just, okay, multiply like this way. You have to start, okay, backside, okay, here 3 2 1, and here you have to now 4, just decrease, okay, 3, and now, okay, 2. Now you have to stop, okay, because, okay, less than 1 we can't take, so you have to do up to here, right? 3 3 2 1 and 4 3 2, right? So, or you can say, okay, you can do the multiplication of firstly this number. You can start, okay, you may say like this way, just last digit of this here, and last digit of column, and last digit of a row we have to take, and just decrease. Now you have to go in decreasing order, 1 2 1. Now less than 1 you can't do. Here also now decrease 3 and 2, right? We can't make any more further pair, right? Just, okay, you have to multiply 12, and 3 2s are 6, and 2 1s are 2. Now you have to add all, okay, right? So total you have to find out what will come right here. 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 20. So how many squares are there? 20. You have to add, okay, 12 plus 6 plus 2. Add these numbers and you will get 20. So 20, okay, we will have in this diagram 20 squares. How many squares we will have? 20 squares, right? You can check yourself. So you can count all squares, and thereafter you can see, okay, square box, square box, square box, square box. Here also one square, like this way also you can count, right? But it's a lengthy process, okay? Now let's move into the second part of the second part, the same type of question. Let's start to do numberings. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 2 3 4 5. Yes, okay. 1 2 3 4 5. No, sorry, here only 4, right? Because yeah, I have drawn only one line for this. So okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 here columns, and 1 2 3 4 4 rows. You can say like this way. As I told you, now you have to write this number, okay? Solution of this I'm going to tell here. You can see here 4 multi, okay, you have to take this digit times, okay, and this one last digit of the columns 8, yes, or you can say the last digit of a row 8, and the last digit of column. You can start from here. Last digit of column is 4, last digit of row, first row is 8. Now, okay, now no need to see this diagram. You can just move on in decreasing order, 3 2 1, right? And now here just 7 6 and 5, because you have to stop whenever you will get 1, right? Now just 8 4s are 32, and 7 3s are 21, and here 6 2s are 12, and 5 1s are 5, right? Now add all, okay, you will get here, let's see, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5, okay, 0 here, 10 and 3 5 6, and carry over 170. So how many squares are there in this diagram? We will have 70 squares. 70 square boxes we can make, okay. 70 square boxes we can pop of different size, right? Some of them might be of same size, okay, some of them, okay, maybe right different. Okay, now let's take, okay, one more example. This is also same type of question. I think you will not have any problem. Just let's do the counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here 2 3 4, and just let's take the last digit of column and times last digit of row, and okay, now start, okay, uh, to move downwards. 3, 2, 1, and here 7, 6, okay, 5 and 4. As I told you, you have to stop whenever you get 1. So 28, 6 3s are 18, and 2 5s are 10, and 4 1s are 4. Now total, let's see what you will get here is 16, and here 20 carry over to 4 5 6 60. So how many boxes, how many squares you will get? Okay, we will get 60 squares in this diagram. So easy, so fantastic. It's so easy to count, okay, right, within 5 seconds. And some questions you can do within 2 seconds, and some questions you can do within 5 seconds. You will not take so much time. So I think you understood how to count the squares, right, from the given diagram. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.